Hola amigos! Ready to learn some basic Spanish phrases? Did you know that Spanish is one of the most widely spoken languages in the world with over 500 million speakers? Whether you're planning a trip to a Spanish-speaking country or simply want to expand your language skills, knowing a few basic phrases can make a world of difference. In this video, we'll be learning 10 essential Spanish phrases that will help you navigate everyday situations with confidence. From greetings and pleasantries to asking for directions and expressing gratitude, these phrases will equip you with the tools to communicate effectively and immerse yourself in the beauty of the Spanish language. Get ready to impress your friends, order food like a pro, and connect with Spanish speakers on a whole new level. Let's dive in. Let's start with the most basic and essential Spanish greeting, hola. This simple word, pronounced hola, is your key to starting any conversation with a Spanish speaker. Imagine yourself strolling through the vibrant streets of Barcelona, stepping into a cozy cafe or striking up a conversation with a friendly local. Hola is your passport to connection and cultural exchange. Practice saying hola with a smile, and see how this small word can open doors to new friendships, experiences, and perspectives. Remember, a warm hola can brighten someone's day and make you feel more confident in your language abilities. Whether you're a complete beginner or have some Spanish under your belt, mastering this fundamental greeting is the first step to unlocking the beauty and richness of the Spanish language. So go ahead, say hola to the world, and embrace the joy of communication. Now that you know how to say hello, let's learn how to greet someone in the morning. Buenos dias, pronounced buenos dias, means good morning and is a respectful and cheerful way to start the day. Imagine yourself waking up in a charming Spanish villa, the sun streaming through the window, and the aroma of fresh coffee filling the air. As you step out to greet the day, a friendly buenos dias to your host or fellow travelers will set a positive tone for your adventures. Just like hola, buenos dias is a simple yet powerful phrase that can enhance your travel experience. Use it when greeting hotel staff, shopkeepers, or anyone you encounter in the morning. Remember, language learning is about more than just memorizing words. It's about connecting with people and cultures. So embrace the warmth and tradition of Buenos Dias, and start your day the Spanish way. In any language, politeness goes a long way. In Spanish, por favor, pronounced por favor, meaning please, is your magic word for making requests graciously and respectfully. Imagine yourself at a bustling Spanish market surrounded by colorful displays of fresh produce and local crafts. As you approach a vendor to inquire about a particular item, a polite por favor will ensure a warm reception and a positive interaction. Whether you're asking for directions, ordering food, or simply requesting assistance, incorporating por favor into your vocabulary will demonstrate your cultural sensitivity and enhance your communication skills. Remember, even if your Spanish is limited, a sincere por favor can make all the difference in how your request is received. So make it a habit to use this essential phrase and navigate your Spanish-speaking interactions with grace and ease. Just as por favor is essential for making requests, gracias, pronounced gracias, meaning thank you, is crucial for expressing gratitude and appreciation. Imagine yourself enjoying a delicious meal at a traditional Spanish restaurant, the flavors of paella and sangria dancing on your palate. As the waiter clears your plate, a heartfelt gracias will convey your satisfaction and leave a positive impression. From simple interactions like receiving directions to more significant gestures of kindness, gracias is your go-to phrase for acknowledging and appreciating the help and generosity of others. Remember, expressing gratitude is a universal language that transcends cultural boundaries. So make it a habit to say gracias generously and sincerely, and experience the warmth and connection it fosters in your Spanish-speaking interactions. Nature calls and you find yourself in a foreign country, unsure of where to find the nearest restroom. Fear not. With this essential phrase, you'll be able to navigate your way with ease. Donde está el baño, pronounced donde está el baño, meaning where is the bathroom, is a lifesaver. Don't panic. Approach a local and politely ask, donde está el baño? With this phrase, you'll handle any bathroom emergencies while exploring the Spanish-speaking world. Shopping in a foreign country is an exciting experience, and knowing how to ask for prices is essential for navigating the marketplace with confidence. Cuánto cuesta, pronounced cuánto cuesta, meaning how much does it cost, is your key to unlocking the world of bargaining and securing the best deals. Imagine yourself browsing through a vibrant Mexican market, your senses tantalized by the colorful textiles, handcrafted jewelry, and aromatic spices. As you spot a souvenir that catches your eye, confidently approach the vendor and inquire, "Cuánto cuesta?" This phrase is your passport to understanding the value of goods and services, whether you're haggling for souvenirs, purchasing groceries, or simply curious about the cost of an item. Remember, in many cultures, bargaining is an expected part of the shopping experience, so don't be afraid to negotiate a fair price. With Cuánto cuesta, in your vocabulary you'll be well equipped to navigate the world of commerce and bring home some unique treasures. Chapter 7. Lo siento, navigating social graces with grace. In any language, the ability to apologize sincerely is crucial for maintaining harmonious relationships. In Spanish, lo siento, pronounced lo siento, meaning I'm sorry, is your go-to phrase for expressing remorse, taking responsibility, or simply acknowledging a mishap. Imagine yourself accidentally bumping into someone on a crowded street in Buenos Aires. A sincere lo siento will convey your apology and diffuse any potential awkwardness. Whether you've accidentally stepped on someone's toes, spilled your drink, or simply made an honest mistake, lo siento is a powerful phrase that can smooth over social hiccups and demonstrate your respect for others. Remember, a genuine apology can go a long way in building bridges and fostering understanding. Learning a new language can be both exhilarating and challenging, and there will inevitably be times when you find yourself struggling to understand. No entiendo, pronounced no entiendo, meaning I don't understand, is your lifeline in those moments. Imagine yourself engaged in a conversation with a friendly local in Chile, eager to practice your Spanish. If the conversation takes an unexpected turn and you find yourself lost in translation, don't be afraid to say, no entiendo. This simple phrase signals to the other person that you need clarification or assistance in understanding. Most people are patient and understanding, especially when they realize you're making an effort to learn their language. Remember, language learning is a journey, not a destination. Embrace the challenges, don't be afraid to ask for help, and celebrate your progress along the way. While it's always admirable to attempt to communicate in the local language, there may be times when you need to rely on English as a backup. Habla inglés, pronounced habla inglés, meaning do you speak English, is a useful phrase for those situations. Imagine yourself at a train station in Madrid, needing to purchase a ticket but unsure how to navigate the automated machines. Approach a station attendant and politely ask, "Habla inglés?" This phrase can be a lifesaver when you need to communicate an urgent request, seek clarification, or simply have a more in-depth conversation. Remember to be polite and respectful when using this phrase. Not everyone speaks English, and it's important to acknowledge that you're in a Spanish-speaking country. As all good things must come to an end, so too must our language lesson. Adios, pronounced adios, meaning goodbye, is your final farewell. Imagine yourself at the airport gate, heart filled with memories. Turn to the beautiful country and whisper a heartfelt adios. Adios is a graceful way to signal your departure. Congratulations! You've now learned 10 essential Spanish phrases that will boost your confidence and enhance your travel experiences. Remember, language learning is a journey, and even these basic phrases can open doors to new connections and cultural insights. Make it a habit to practice these phrases regularly, whether you're using language learning apps, watching Spanish movies, or simply incorporating them into your daily conversations. The more you use them, the more natural they will become. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more language learning tips and tricks, and share your favorite Spanish phrases or travel experiences in the comments below. Hasta pronto!